Meet Sam. Sam ran a great restaurant, put in a lot of hours, and had a laundry list of tasks that was almost never ending. Similar to other owners, his dishwasher and sanitation program was at the end of his list. Expenses are hard to control. He didn't know how much his dishwashing and sanitizing products were really costing him. Sam's employees were wasting product because they were free pouring and not using the dispensers. The national chemical supplier sometimes overstocked his chemicals, neglected broken dispensers, and usually had 2 to 3 unannounced price increases a year. All of this ate up his profits, but the national chemical company didn't care. The more products Sam used, the more money they made. Now, Cleaner Solutions manages his program. Sam is always on budget, and his to-do list is shorter. Cleaner Solutions eliminates waste and makes it easy for employees to do a great job, while saving Sam time and money. Sam sees all his costs on one bill, so he knows exactly what he's spending. Contact Cleaner Solutions today to manage your sanitation program and guarantee your budget.